Why automate workflows in collaboration platforms?
Automating workflows in platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Trello means letting the system handle repetitive tasks for you. This cuts down on manual work, reduces mistakes, and saves valuable time. By streamlining processes, teams can focus on high-impact projects instead of routine chores, leading to better efficiency and a boost in productivity.
Identifying tasks to automate.
Start by identifying repetitive tasks, such as sending reminders, updating status reports, or organizing files. Ask yourself, what do I or my team do over and over? Which steps are consistent and predictable? Prioritizing these tasks for automation will give you the quickest wins and free up the most time for more meaningful work.
Choosing the right tools.
Collaboration platforms often offer built-in automation features as well as integration with third-party tools. For example, Slack uses Workflow Builder, Microsoft Teams works with Power Automate, and Trello integrates with Butler. Explore what your platform supports and consider the complexity of your needs before deciding which tool to use.
Building your first automated workflow.
To set up a basic automation, define a trigger, such as receiving a message or updating a task. Next, choose the actions that follow, like sending notifications or moving files. Most platforms guide you with step-by-step templates so you can tailor workflows to fit your team's needs without technical skills.
Testing and refining automation.
After creating your workflow, test it thoroughly to ensure everything runs smoothly. Invite feedback from your team and watch for edge cases or errors. It's important to refine automations based on real-world use. Regularly review and update your workflows as your team's needs evolve for continued efficiency.